Hello, friends. Namaskar. Once again, welcome to the series about rags and their incorporation into light music. So, today we are going to talk about two rags which are very similar to each other, and they have been very popularly used in light music. They are Rag Kalavati and Rag Janasammohini. So, they both belong to Thaat Khamaj, and they have uh, the fourth note, which is ma, absent in both of them, and they have the seventh note ni as the komal swar, the flat note, and the rest of the swars are the regular natural notes, shuddha swar. So let me sing for you the basic outline of both the rags, meaning the aroha and avroha. So you'll be able to see that there is a very minor difference in both of them, but they're very similar sounding. So we start with Kalavati first. It goes something like this. Sa ga pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ga sa. Now how about Janasammohini? Sa re ga pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ga pa ga re sa. So as you can see, the obvious difference is that in Janasammohini we have one extra swar, which is re, which is not there in Rag Kalavati. So let me just sing for you a little bit of the classical style in both the rags, and then we'll move on to the light music section. So we start with Rag Kalavati, a little bit of a elaboration in classical style. This was Rag Kalavati. Now let's move on to Rag Janasammohini. So you'll probably notice the addition of the extra note re that I was talking to you about before. And let's see how it goes. Re de na तेरे नाम तेरे So this is Rag Janasammohini. So the difference actually, if you go to see, although I mentioned to you that there is a difference of one note re, but when you listen to both the rags, you can hardly find the difference though, because the mood of both the rags is very similar. And so that is the beauty of this music, that I'm sure all of you are aware that the notes are sometimes very similar in two rags, but they are still different. At the same time, in some rags, you may find a slight difference of swars, but still, because of their mood being the same, they can still sound the same. So, these two rags, Kalavati and Janasammohini, are the examples of the second situation that I said, that although they have not exactly the same swars, but an additional swar in Rag Janasammohini, but despite that, because the mood is so similar of both the rags, they sound very similar. So now let's see how these two rags have been incorporated in light music, and that too, as we always do, try to bring before you songs of different moods. So starting with Rag Kalavati, probably many of you have heard this very famous welcome song that is played on most of uh, the occasions in which you want to welcome people. And if I'm not wrong, I think it was composed by Pandit Ravi Shankar ji. And the very famous Swagat Geet, as it is called, the welcome song, goes like this, which is in Rag Kalavati. Swagatam Shubha Swagatam Ata Swagatam Shubha Swagatam Ananda Mangala Mangalam Nita Priyam Bharat Bharatam Nita Priyam Bharat Bharatam Swagatam Shubha Swagatam. So this is Rag Kalavati. And many times you'll find that although a song may be based on Kalavati, but as you know, in light music there is a flexibility that we have, that we can sometimes include swars which are not there in the original classical rag. So that's what happens in Kalavati, that there is sometimes a little bit of a touch of re, but not as much that you can call that as the other rag, Janasammohini. So this was Rag Kalavati. And then moving on to another song in Rag Kalavati. Now this has like a very peppy tone to it. At the same time, there is a very philosophical message that is conveyed in this song. Meaning, the mood of the song is such that the poet says, let's enjoy the good times, because you never know when these good times will go away. And he has compared the youth, so he is like drawn a metaphor between youth and representing the youth as the good times that we experience in life. And so the poet says that let's always be young in our approach, because you never know when these good times will go away. So the song goes, Kahe tarsai jiyara. Why are you troubling your mind? Kahe tarsai jiyara, jiyara, यौवन ऋतु सजन जाके न आए काहे तरसा. So this youth that you experience now, it will not come back again. यौवन ऋतु सजन जाके न आए काहे तरसाए जियरा. So don't trouble your mind. Why are you troubling your mind? Let's enjoy this moment. That's how the song conveys the mood. And then we have a very, very popular ghazal sung by Rafi Sahab. A very melancholy touch to it, in which the hero is pretty disappointed and sad, and so aptly the mood is conveyed with the swars of Rag Janasammohini now. The additional note added Re, and it's added enough for us to call that as Janasammohini. And the song goes, कोई सागर दिल को बहलाता नहीं, बेखुदी में भी करार आता नहीं. कोई सागर दिल को बहलाता नहीं. So, a very somber kind of a song. But so the first two songs that you heard, they were so peppy, and then we have this one. In fact, there is one more very, very like a sad song, in which the lady is talking about why are those good days not coming back. Many seasons have passed, but the good days are not coming. And so to convey that feeling again, the feeling of sadness, this very popular song from the movie Anuradha, sung by Lata ji. Haaye re wo din kyun na aaye. This is Rag Janasammohini. Aaye re wo दिन क्यों ना आए, जा जा के ऋतु लौट आए, हाय रे वो दिन क्यों ना आए. So that's Rag Janasammohini. So we heard two kind of sad songs in Rag Janasammohini. Then we heard two peppy songs in Rag Kalavati. But like I said, the notes are almost the same, just the addition of one extra note. And then we have a Qawwali mood in Rag Kalavati, the very famous one from the movie Hum Kisi Se Kam Nahi, the title song. है अगर दुश्मन दुश्मन ज़माना गम नहीं है, अगर दुश्मन दुश्मन ज़माना गम नहीं कोई आए, कोई आए कोई आए कोई आए कोई, हम किसी से कम नहीं है, अगर दुश्मन दुश्मन. So that's Kalavati for you. And then a very peppy song sung by Lata ji again, talking of the rainy season and the feeling that the lady experiences when it is raining. very very sweet. And this is in Rag Kalavati. In fact, it also has a little bit of touch of Rag Janasammohini. So, ओ घटा सांवरी थोड़ी थोड़ी बावरी हो गई है बरसात क्या, हर सांस है बहकी हुई, अब के बरस है ये बात क्या, ओ घटा सांवरी थोड़ी थोड़ी बावरी हो गई है बरसात क्या. So this is like a very catchy tune, and like I said, talking about rains and the feeling that the lady experiences when it is raining. So these are all the different kinds of songs, and then there is a devotional song also based on Rag Janasammohini that is sung by Rashid Khan Saab, which you will find on YouTube. It's a very nice devotional song. भजो रे मन राधे गोविंद हरि, भजो रे मन राधे गोविंद हरि. So this is the mood of that song. So a nice devotional touch to these two rags. In fact, many a times most of these songs could be called as based on both the rags because of the similarity that both the rags have. So despite being different, they are still similar, if I may say, that they sound so similar despite that extra note being there in Rag Janasammohini. So this was about Rag Kalavati and Janasammohini and their usage in light music. Like I said, do come up with your suggestions about any particular rag that you would want me to present in this series. I'd really appreciate that. And please do come up with your suggestions and with your feedback. And I'll hope to see you all next week, continuing with the same series with another rag. Thank you so much and happy listening. Namaskar.